Hello store owners! Today I'm walking you through the premium add-on to the WooCommerce Wholesale Prices plugin. We already covered the free version. This picks up where that left off. I'll show you the major features: extra wholesale roles, flexible pricing, product visibility controls, shipping and payment mapping, minimum order requirements, and advanced tax settings. The first big thing the premium plugin adds is the ability to create more wholesale roles. So instead of just one wholesale customer tier, I can add bronze, silver, gold, as many as I need. I'll go to wholesale, then roles, and add a new one from here. Each role I add will get its own pricing fields on every product. After setting up multiple roles, I can view all their pricing fields directly on the product. Each role has its own wholesale price, so a gold customer could pay less than a bronze customer for the same item. If I prefer not to assign prices per product, the premium plugin also allows category level and global percentage discounts. For example, applying a 20% discount site-wide, unless a specific product price takes priority. I can also control which products my wholesale customers actually see. Here in the settings, I've got an option called Only Show Wholesale Products to Wholesale Customers. When that's on, wholesale customers will only see products that have a wholesale price assigned. I can also go into individual products and restrict them to specific wholesale roles only, so certain items are exclusive to certain tiers. One of my favorite features is shipping method mapping. I can create a shipping method like local pickup and make it available only to my local wholesale customers by mapping it to that role. To set it up, I pick the wholesale role, choose the shipping zone it applies to, then select the shipping method. That's it! Retail customers won't see those wholesale-only shipping options. The same mapping concept applies to payment gateways. Here, I've got bank transfer mapped to my wholesale customer role and cash on delivery mapped to gold. I can even map a gateway that's disabled for regular customers. It'll stay hidden from retail, but activate just for the wholesale role I've assigned it to. This gives my wholesale buyers a completely separate checkout experience. I can also set minimum order requirements so that wholesale pricing only kicks in once a customer has enough in their cart. Here, I've set a minimum quantity of 10 and a minimum subtotal of 500. Customers can still add products to cart before they hit the minimum. Customers just won't see wholesale pricing until they reach the requirements. I can also override these minimums per role if I've got different rules for different customer tiers. Finally, tax. The premium plugin lets me control tax display at the wholesale level separately from retail. I can show wholesale prices including or excluding tax depending on my market. I can also grant tax exemptions globally for all wholesale customers or map exemptions based on the role, which is really useful if I've got customers in different tax jurisdictions. And that's a quick tour of the major features in Wholesale Prices Premium. There's a lot more to dig into. I'll link the full documentation below for each feature. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.